This video is how to download the PDF version of a DBQ. First thing I have to do is make sure I'm logged into my Thinking Nation teacher account. I will then choose really any class period. I'll just choose this one. And then in the top right-hand corner, here are my three options. If I go into DBQs, and then it goes by unassigned and assigned, if I locate the DBQ that I want to download as a PDF version, I will find that. Let's say it's the Hinduism. It'll open the DBQ in your whole screen. Up here in this corner, you can download the teacher version or you could download the student version with either one of these. So if I'm wanting to download the teacher version of in a PDF form of this DBQ, I will click on that. It'll just ask you to agree with the short disclosure from Thinking Nation. If I say I agree, it'll open that DBQ as a PDF. Then you can download and or print it according to whatever it is that you need. But that is how you download a PDF version of a DBQ. Let's say you wanted the student version. You can click that button, same agreement, click agree, and it'll download the student version as well. It'll open the student version as well in PDF form, and you can download or print it.